Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have another rumor that's kind of there. We're not sure where it comes from. There are some that think it might be happening, but there are two paths where it could happen, and this is where we wonder what exactly is behind this rumor. Um, it may never happen, but here's a few reasons why it might. And this is going to be a very interesting one. The first rumor is that all of you guys on Windows 10 that are on the extended support, for consumers, extended support for now is ending this October. And what some people are saying is that internally at Microsoft, they might be discussing the extension to another year. And the reason behind it is that there's still quite a lot of people on Windows 10. The PCs have basically gone through the roof in terms of prices, and that would actually help them continue with, helping support a version. They are anyway supporting with security updates for enterprise. There's not really much more complication to do. You're already making patches. I might as well make the patch for, the regular version. So this is one of the first discussions, the first things that they are saying, that maybe Microsoft is actually looking at extending for another year the Windows 10 offer for free. So that would be good news for all of the Windows 10 users out there. But we are now just in May. October is still far away. Microsoft tends to announce these things often close to when it's supposed to end. So, we'll have probably all the summer to think about it before they maybe in September start and say, okay, all right, we're extending another year for everybody. So that's the first rumor. But there's also a rumor that is interesting, and it has to do with Windows 11. Some of that rumor of continuing to have the old PCs run Windows is that there are some out there saying they're not going to extend Windows 10. But what they will do is do a Windows 11 version that doesn't require those TPMs and all of that Windows 10 users could use. And that would be for, maybe a year, maybe more than a year, but it would actually allow old hardware to run Windows 11, and that would satisfy Microsoft in another way. It would satisfy Microsoft because it would also push people to Windows 11 from their Windows 10 machines. So that is a rumor I've heard a few times, and I've read a few times on some blog posts of, tech journalists and enthusiasts and so on. So these are two possibilities right now. And it might never happen at all. We might end up in October and it's like, nope, move on, or use zero patch or do something else. Or we might arrive in October or before October and learn that, hey, here's, I don't know, Windows 11 Lite or Windows 11, version for Windows 10 users. Or once again, Windows 10 just with another year of extended support. So these are rumors. Of course, rumors are rumors. We never know. But maybe that would be interesting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.